Welcome to 5G Security, 5G Wireless Security Training 2019, powered by TONEX.com. TONEX 5G Security Training is a fundamental component in the advancement of security arrangements and advances to shield 5G wireless systems from hacking, cyberattacks and money-related extortion. Topics include Security 5G Essentials Bootcamp Style, TONEX 5G Security Workshop Recommendations, Security 5G Essentials Bootcamp Style, Intro to 5G Security, 5G Communications Systems Architecture, Security Issues and Challenges in 5G Communications Systems, Mobile Malware Attacks Targeting You, IoT and 3GPP Security Frameworks, LTE-Advanced and LTE-Pro Security Principles, LTE-U and LAA Security, 802.11ax Security Applied to 5G, 802.11r Security Applied to 5G, 802.11a Security Applied to 5G, Self-Organizing Network, SON, Voice over Wi-Fi, VoWiFi Security, LTE Direct and D2D Communication Security, IoT Security, NFV Security, Software Defined Networking, SDN, Security. More. TONEX 5G Security Workshop/Recommendations. Key Issues. Embedded SIM Security. Wave Security Issues. 5G Autonomous Driving Security Solutions. Critical 5G Security Controls Planning, Implementing and Auditing. Top 5G Mitigation Strategies Implementing and Auditing. Advanced 5G Security Principles. 5G Intrusion Detection. 5G Wireless Hacker Tools, Techniques, Exploits and Incident Handling. Issues with Access Network Flash Network Traffic. Radio Interface Key Management. User Plane Integrity. Security Measures. DOS attacks against network infrastructure. Overload of the signaling plane security issues. Bulk configuration security issues. More. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this 5 grams wireless security course. Audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.